You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this very interesting word, a bit confusing, meaning a commotion or a fuss. If you want to learn more vocabulary in English, stay tuned. I got tons more videos for you. Hullabaloo. Ha-la-ba-loo. You have a stress a bit on the first syllable and a bit also on the last one. British English pronunciation and American English pronunciations are similar, so it's easy, pretty straightforward once you know hullabaloo. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.